Builder. A surprise for Wendy. I am late, said Wendy, and my garden is a mess. Your garden can wait, said Bob. You have a train to catch. Scoop picked up Wendy's suitcase. Goodbye, said Wendy. Goodbye, said Bob and Dizzy. Meow, said Pilchard. What will we do without Wendy? Asked Dizzy. I know. We can surprise Wendy and clean up her garden, Bob said. This will be fun, said Dizzy. Rock and roll, said Rolly. We have to work fast, said Bob. Wendy will be home by 6 o'clock. The machines got to work. Dizzy mixed the cement. Slosh, slosh. Rolly flattened the dirt. Rumble, rumble. Bob used his hammer. Bang, bang. Bob looked at his watch. We have to work faster, he said. So the machines worked faster. Slosh, slosh, rumble, rumble, bang, bang. Dizzy spread the cement. Muck scooped the dirt. Lofty hung the planter. Bob planted the flowers. Slosh, slosh, rumble, rumble, bang, bang. Hello, Wendy said. I am home. Then she put down her suitcase. I am home, shouted Wendy. The machine stopped working. Surprise, said Bob. Wendy smiled. My garden, she said. Did we fix it? Asked Scoop. Yes, you did, said Wendy. My new garden is perfect, said Wendy. Hooray, said Bob. Thank you, said Wendy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Bob the Builder stories, check out my Bob the Builder playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for your support, and we'll see you all next time.